Hello, I'm here with Dremel, and today we have a piece from a secondhand store that we are going to be refurbishing. It has had a little bit of life. It's got some scratches and it needs some updating to make it ready for home. So we're going to be tackling this DIY project over the next few videos to kind of give it some life and make it brand new. First, we're going to be starting this project by cleaning up the table and getting it all ready for the future renovations. So we're going to be cleaning it with the Dremel Versa. I'm just going to raise the splash guard so I can get it all wet in the soap and water mixture, and then lower the splash guard again so we can start getting this all cleaned up. Make sure when you're using the tool to not use a lot of pressure. The tool will do the work for you so you don't have to add too much force. Also, for those hard to get out spots, just add some more solution of your cleaning solution, or just go over it a few times and it should disappear and clean right up. The next step is just to wipe it up with some paper towels to clean up all of the water and soap from it so we can get ready for our next step. And as you can see, all the dirt and grime that came off from it, there are still some scrapes on it, but that can be fixed in the future, but it's all cleaned up and ready to go. Now we're ready for the next step, now that it's all cleaned up. And we're going to be changing the handles and giving it a little bit of a modern upgrade. So watch our next video to see what we do with this table, and like, comment, or subscribe if you want to see more.